Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will learn about types of proofs. This is the first topic that you will learn in algebra as part of year 1 pure mathematics. There are four types of proofs. First one is simple proofs. It's about odd numbers and even numbers. As you know, if any number can be represented by n, right? Let's say n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then even numbers is just you multiply the numbers by 2. If you multiply any number by 2, then it will become an even number. And so odd number is as simple as that. Even number, all you need to do is you take an even number, you add 1, or if you take an odd number, you subtract 1, then that will turn into an odd number. So we will use this techniques to prove simple proofs. The second type of proof is called proof by deduction. Proof by deduction is when you use known facts to build up your argument and show a statement must be true. For example, let's say there are two numbers A and B, both of them are rational numbers. So let's say 1 over 2 is a rational number, 2 over 3 is a rational number. So what about if you multiply A and B? Is it a rational number? Yes, because if you multiply two rational numbers, it will be a rational number. For example, 1 times 2 and 2 times 3 is 2 over 6, which is a rational number. Third type of proof is called proof by exhaustion. A proof by exhaustion is about you breaking things down into two or more use cases, and you have to make sure that your cases cover all possible situations. Then prove separately that the statement is true for each case. That is called proof by exception. For example, sometimes you will be asked to prove, for example, let's say x is any number, right? X could be like 0, 1, 2, 3, and on. And you need to prove that x cubed plus x plus 1 is an odd number, right? So in this case, what you need to do, there are two possibilities. X could be even number and x could be odd number. So how do we prove this x cubed plus x plus 1 is always an odd number, right? So we will look this question in one of the examples later. So the proof by exhaustion means like what you are trying to do is first you will say x is even number, and you will prove that x squared plus x plus 1 is an odd number. Then the second case is you will say x is an odd number. Then you will prove this x cubed plus x plus 1 is an odd number. So what you are trying to do is, x is any number. So you are breaking down this into odd number and even number, and you are proving that this equation is always odd in whether it's an odd or even value for x. The last and fourth type of proof is called disproof by counterexample. This is quite simple as well. Disproof by counterexample is the easiest way to show mathematical statement is false. All you need to do is to take an example scenario and you say, this expression is not valid for this particular scenario, right? For example, let's take a pair of integers x and y, and you can say that if you want to prove like if x greater than y, then do you think x squared plus x is always greater than y squared plus y, right? So you can disprove this by taking an example. Let's say x equal 2 and y equal minus 4. If you take this example, this statement, you can easily show that this is not true for this particular example. Therefore, the statement is not correct.